Have you ever wondered which is better, dropshipping or affiliate marketing? In the digital age, the world of e-commerce has blossomed and two prevalent business models have emerged, dropshipping and affiliate marketing. First, let's unwrap dropshipping. Picture yourself as a retailer but without the need for a physical store or even a stockpile of inventory. When a customer places an order, you simply forward a request to a supplier who ships the product directly to the customer. Ingenious, isn't it? Now, on to affiliate marketing. Imagine being a virtual salesman promoting other people's products on your platform. When a purchase is made through your referral link, you earn a commission. The beauty of it, you don't have to worry about product creation or customer service. These models have become appealing paths in the landscape of online business, each with its unique charm. Now that we have set the stage, let's delve deeper into the advantages and disadvantages of each model. To start off, let's discuss dropshipping. Why is it a go-to choice for many online entrepreneurs? Dropshipping has its allure and it's easy to see why. For starters, it requires low startup costs. You don't need to shell out a fortune to kick off your business. All you need is a solid e-commerce platform and a reliable supplier. Furthermore, dropshipping offers flexibility. You can switch up your product offerings as often as you like without any inventory headaches. The lack of inventory management is a huge draw, freeing up your time to focus on marketing and customer service. And speaking of products, dropshipping offers a broad selection, allowing you to cater to a wide array of customer interests. However, it isn't all sunshine and rainbows. Dropshipping often comes with lower profit margins due to supplier pricing. Supplier errors can also reflect poorly on your business and the competition can be fierce. So dropshipping has its own perks and pitfalls. But what about affiliate marketing? Now let's shift our focus to affiliate marketing. What makes it attractive to online business enthusiasts? Affiliate marketing is appealing for several reasons. Firstly, it eliminates the need for inventory. You are merely promoting someone else's product, so there's no need to stock or ship anything. Secondly, it has a low startup cost. Often, all you need is a website and, more importantly, a sales funnel or a social media presence to get started. Another positive aspect is the potential for passive income. Once you have set up your affiliate links, you can earn money around the clock. Your earnings are commission-based. The more you sell, the more you earn. Oh, by the way, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to our channel and share this video to anybody who needs this. This will help our channel rank higher in search results and give us the chance to help more people to take back control of their life by being their own boss. Thank you for your support. However, it's not all roses. Affiliate marketers are dependent on affiliate programs, which can be unpredictable. You also have no control over the product you're promoting. The competition is also fierce. With low entry barriers, many people are drawn to affiliate marketing, making it a competitive field. As we can see, affiliate marketing also has its own set of benefits and challenges. But how do we choose between the two? Choosing between dropshipping and affiliate marketing can be a tough decision, but it ultimately comes down to your personal goals and preferences. Both models have their unique advantages, and which one is right for you depends on a few key factors. First, consider your risk tolerance. Dropshipping involves more risk than affiliate marketing, as it requires dealing with stock and customer service. If you prefer a lower risk model, affiliate marketing might be your game. Next, think about your desired income type. Dropshipping can provide active income, while affiliate marketing usually brings in more passive income. Also, assess how much control you want over your products. With dropshipping, you have more control over your inventory and pricing. But in affiliate marketing, you promote someone else's products. You also need to consider your startup budget. Dropshipping might require require a more significant initial investment, while affiliate marketing can be started with a smaller budget. The choice between dropshipping and affiliate marketing is a personal one based on your individual needs and business aspirations. But here we suggest beginners start with affiliate marketing because this is the perfect way to learn the fundamentals of successful businesses. Plus, you can promote different products and diversify your incomes. And depending on your vision, you can reinvest in your business, build your own products, and create your own affiliate program. Possibilities are endless. Affiliate marketing offers a chance to start with almost no capital and less hands-on involvement. When you think about it deeply, you realize that to really succeed in both models, you need to build a community. Seeing things from this angle, affiliate marketing is absolutely our recommendation. So which one will you choose? Dropshipping or affiliate marketing? Think about it. Choose wisely. Your choice could shape your future in the digital world. Now, take a moment to watch this video next to learn more about affiliate marketing. See you in the next one.